Welcome to Princeton Poodles. This is Shakira and Rocky's litter of 7. 5 boys and 3 girls. And they're crying for mommy at this time because they see mom outside the crate. I just put their collars on so they're like itchy crazy. They don't care for them on. I'm going to post them on the website, and they're color coded. The first one is the darkest, second is the second darkest, and so on. And the boys, and same as the girls. The girls are the pink, red, and purple. There's the pink and the red, and the purple one must be, yeah, there's the purple one. Those are the 3 girls, and the other ones are the boys. Oh, now they're chilling. They said, well, mom's not going to feed us, so we might as well go to sleep. Puppers! Anyway, they were born June 2nd, and they will be ready to go to their forever loving home approximately July 31st if they're not going to be shipped. If they are, then it would be, of course, the first week of August. They will be up to date on their shots and dewormings. And we also perform a ABO test and a Volhar test at 7 weeks old. And that will be posted on the website as well, as far as the testing results. So, okay, those puppers. Oh, now they're all laying down. Anyway, you can reach us at www.princetonpoodles.com. That's our website. Or call me at 863-244-9952. We're located in Arcadia, Florida, which is southwest Florida. We do ship by United Airlines or ground transport by my husband with TLC. I would love to answer any of your questions, so feel free to email or call. And well, thank you very much for visiting.